What up, YouTube? BRK Slime back with another tech spot unboxing. I got an unboxing of the AirPods Pro today, so let's get into this. So satisfying. Alright, so right off jump, we're gonna get into how much the AirPods Pro costs. So I'm gonna go right onto Apple's website. Whew! Man, that's clean. Yeah, that's clean. Apple really got something going on right there. Alright, it looks like they got it for $249 on the Apple website. On Amazon, let's check this out because this is really where I got it from. Looks like now it's $194. They're always throwing deals on Amazon. When I got it, it was for $219, which I was like, shit. They were originally $249, just like the Apple store. So you make sure y'all hop on that 22% off while it still lasts. Alright, so let's get right into this unboxing. Of course, the first thing you see is just the AirPods by themselves on the box. Classic Apple to keep it simple, which is the cleanest in my opinion. Alright, so right off jump, the first thing you're gonna see is the paperwork designed by Apple in California and Silicon Valley. We all know that. Alright, let me put that aside. And the very next thing you're going to see inside the box is the AirPod Pros themselves. These are active noise cancellation. I will be giving you guys a review here in the next couple days, so make sure y'all stay tuned. So this is the back of the AirPod Pros, and this is the front of the AirPods Pro charging case. Alright, so first let's check out what the paperwork comes with. I'm not actually going to read through all this except for this part, AirPod Pros. The rest of this paperwork, I'm really not going to read. Y'all can read through this whenever y'all get the AirPod Pros yourself. Alright, so here's the main event, what we all came here for, the AirPod Pros themselves. Let me unwrap this real fast. Guy! Man, Apple really knows what they're doing with simplicity. Of course, as soon as you open these, we're going to automatically be able to connect to the AirPod Pro. So let me go ahead and connect to these real fast for y'all. Tells me how to use them. Ooh, 78 and 62% on the charging case. Nice. Of course, off jump, Apple automatically pops up that Apple Music. I love that integration. It's why I'm still using Apple. It's what keeps me on Apple. So this right here is the right AirPod by itself. Pretty clean. Simple. Very lightweight, I can tell you that off jump. And this is just both AirPod Pros together. And that's that. Alright, let's see what else they have inside this box for us. And it looks like the only other thing we get is a charging cable. We have the lightning on one end as well as Type-C on the other end. That's actually pretty nice. Of course, the lightning cable, but that Type-C fast charging is going to definitely come in handy when my AirPods are about to die. Alright then, gang, so that just about wraps it up for the AirPods Pro unboxing. This is pretty much everything you can expect to get inside the box. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Tune in. We got hella content lined up for y'all. We already did an unboxing for the Beats Solo Pro, which as you can see are much more bulky compared to the AirPods Pro. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all do not forget to hit that little notification bell to be notified for any new videos that we release at Tech Spot. And of course, tune the fuck in, dude.
Yeah.